Hello, my name is Chris, and in today's tutorial I'd like to show you how to set up a pipeline and an agent for your projects on Azure. So let's get right into it. So first of all, what we're going to do is create an agent pool and an agent for our project. You can do this by going to your project settings and then choosing agent pools under the category of pipelines. Now we can add a pool to our project. Let's go ahead and choose self-hosted and give it a random name. The description is optional, so you don't have to give it one. So let's create a pool. Now that the pool is created, what we're gonna do is create a new agent. At the top here you can see the option to create a new agent. Just go ahead and click it. What we're gonna do now is download the agent, and after it's been downloaded we can configure and run it. So let's go ahead. So now that we have downloaded the agent, we can go ahead and configure it. In order to do so, you want to execute the config.cmd. Now it's asking for a server URL. This is the same one as your organization URL at the top here. Copy it and paste. Now for the authentication type. We're going to use the personal authentication token, so we just go ahead and press enter. In order to get a personal authentication token, what you want to do is go under user settings, personal access tokens, and create a new one. Now click on show all scopes, and in the top you want to check the read and manage checkbox for your agent pools. Create it. Now we've got a personal access token. We want to just copy it and paste it. Now we got to choose the agent pool. We choose the one we created before. You can use a custom agent name, or you can use the suggested one. We'll go ahead with the second. Now the work folder, we'll use the default one. For the next few steps, we're going to use the default steps as well. So now you can see we've got an agent created under our agent pool, but it's offline. To get it online, you got to run the run.cmd. And after the startup, you will see that the agent is online and it's up and running. This is it for the agent pool and the agent. Next we're going to create the pipeline. Click on create pipeline. Now you can see a few different ways to create one. We will use the classic editor to create the pipeline. Here we can see the projects, the repository and the branch. Click on continue and choose the template. We are using the .NET Desktop application template. Click on apply. Now what you want to do first is choose the agent pool we've created before. Now you can choose the solution used for the pipeline by clicking on the Browse Solution button and choose the solution. Now what you want to do is change the NuGet.exe version used. By clicking here you can see a list of all the available NuGet versions. Choose one and enter it. Now what you want to do next is pull the Visual Studio Test step to the bottom and go to triggers. What you can do here is enable continuous integration. This will allow you to run the pipeline automatically whenever you commit changes to the project. So let's just go ahead and save and queue. Now the pipeline is starting up and running. Now that the job is finished, you can see that it was a success. You can click on it to see more detailed information. And this concludes our tutorial on how to create a pipeline with an agent pool and an agent for your project. I hope you liked it. Leave a like and maybe subscribe.